Morning, everybody. Oh, shoot. Fix something. Started here. Big safety. Big Ranger. For trophy products. Got damn Friday low in the middle of this thing. Sucks. You're to love this thing. You're to love this lower half. See, it was earlier today. We came down in here 5 gold and the Friday high. It never gave up the Friday high. The other candles always stayed on. At least the wick or something stayed on with it. This time it did give up. Starting the live stream early because things that today. Just gonna try to see if I can find a box trade or something. Get oil. That's gonna start here in a little while. We got gold. Unfortunately, gold is not outside the box. Sitting in its mid-band, so who knows what it's gonna do. Looks like it's gonna be a little sloppy this morning.
Can everybody hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Is there an echo? Can you hear me? Can you hear me better now? Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. I just bought a headset and I had it plugged in accidentally at the same time I had my camera on. So sorry about that. You're probably hearing me twice or something. I unplugged the headset. Sorry about that. That was just okay. Thanks, Lunatic. Sorry about that, guys. Shit. I just literally took the thing out of the Amazon box 10 minutes ago and plugged it in just to see if it turned on. And shit, I forgot to unplug it. So I took a little 5-minute red line trade right here in the NQ while I was getting ready to start the live stream. It looks like it's going to actually pan out. I mean, you came straight from the low right up to that red line, and then bam, down it goes. Good morning, Snow Invest. God, is the NQ really going to fall that much? This is nice. It's a nice little trade. I mean, I'm looking at everything else. The RTY's rolled over. The YM rolled over. I mean, everybody's rolled over at the same time. That's not my focus this morning, though. The NQ is not my focus. It's going to be GC and oil if we can get some boxes formed here soon. But I mean, that 5-minute red line trade was freaking gold. Jesus, look at that. Let me pull it up here. I mean, look at that. So we came cross, never hit it here, created a low right back And I mean, I sat here live and I saw it go through that thing by a tick and then down it rolled. I mean, come on, man. Holy shit. Look at that. God, that is beautiful. Now come on down to my target. Hold on 1 second, guys. Hold on. Come on. Down. The cat was asking to go outside. Yes, my cat asks to go out too, just like the dogs. She's trained like the dogs. Come on, keep going. Oh shit, might as well. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to get to target here. I need this to go outside the box. Don't go up on me. Come on, don't go up on me. There you go. Now roll over. Now roll over. Roll over and get my target. We both. Oh, okay. All right. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Hold on here. Let me move this out of the way because gold is starting to move now. I'm just going to let that either pan out or whatever. Make me $100. So gold did a double tap through the through the mid band. Interesting. And down it went. Come on, NQ, roll over. Don't roll up on me, roll over. All right, so I anticipate, just like yesterday, if this thing is going to cross the box, that the conservative approach is going to be that it's going to screw around down here for a while. And that's kind of what it's doing right now. It's, you know, it's going to screw around for a while, then hopefully go back up inside, you know, and then sit on that line and then roll up. That's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm hoping for. Okay, on this NQ trade, I'm going to try to add another. Well, I just did. I added another contract because we came up and inside the 5-minute gold line, rolled over. So I added another contract. We'll see if we can get down into here. Come on. And then I'm going to make sure I don't lose money. That's my goal right there. Don't lose money now. Okay, come on. Come on, baby, go. Man, this might turn out to be a really good trade. This might turn out to be a really good trade. So we had step one was the red line. Price came in. Step two, the gold line. Oh my God, keep going, baby. Go, 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 go. Come on, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. What's going on over here? Nothing. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Go down. All right, I'm going to get a little cautious here. So I don't want it to roll up on me again. Come on, roll over, please. Roll over. Roll over. Come on. I know it's early in the morning. I know. I get it. Yeah, we're all drinking coffee. I get it. Come on. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Let's go. Come on. Arg. Come on. Come on. Gold has really gone down. So we're okay there. Shit. Come on. I think we're over. Fart. I think it's over. God dang it. Yep, I think it's over. Shit. God dang it. God dang it. Well, fuck. Fuck. God, yeah, now roll over, you piece. God dang it. Anyways. Are you using the live data? Because I'm using the live 5-minute data on that line. And mine did. I saw it live. And then I took it. All right, so we have busted out of this box here big time in gold. And yeah. So initially, I'm going to look for something aggressive back to here and then a rejection. Remember, we have oil starting in 3 minutes. Well, 2 minutes technically now. And, I want to be careful here. I'm going to pull my oil chart over when the box starts forming on oil. Man, freaking NQ trade. Man, oh man, that traffic jam. Just fall. Just fall, damn it. Just fall. Just fall. Man. Shoot, that's too bad. Anyways. Oh yeah, it was still good profit. I made good money on the trade. Ironically, I made more money, or well, basically, actually, I made the same amount of money as if the initial contract had gone all the way to target, which obviously it didn't. So, I mean, so what's nice about that is I used the leverage point that I had. I used the leverage point that I had going from here to here to then add into here so that I was, had a no risk trade. So anyways, so I ended up with the same results profit wise. Man, I guess I could have had a 1 minute gold line right here. Wasn't really paying attention, but I mean, we got oil starting in 26 seconds. I get a little nervous with gold when oil starts. Yeah, it was a good ad. Yeah, the ad. And by the way, that is the ability for me to add like that with simplicity truly comes from this instrument that Snow Invest made. Because like Trade Saber, I would have had to been trying to do this manually. This second contract, and that's a little more difficult. Plus, they're both tied to my ATM, which is nice also. With Trade Saber, one's tied to Saber, and then if you add one, the others added The other is the other's tied to your ATM. Why is my ATM at none? Live. Oh yeah, I've lost a professional trader's amount of money from DCAing into losing trades. I've learned not to do that anymore. No more. No more. I do not DCA into losing trades. I just take the loss, and if the position reestablishes itself, then I re-enter. I do not enter into losing trades anymore. F that. And it's fun to add into winning trades. I mean, it really is. I mean, how stress-free was that? I mean, come on, man. To add into that trade that was winning. Just because you know it's going to move in patterns, it's going to move in waves. And if you know the waves, you can add on those waves. What made me nervous is I know this is a strong line at this time of day, and I know this is this one gold line here is a strong line at this time of day, and I know this one is not a strong line. And so when this broke back up, I'm like, shit, I'm counting, because this is 1, 2, 3. I'm counting on that third one to push it down. No, not at this time of day. Do a video on the entry tool? I mean, hell, you're seeing it right here. It's all it is it follows the back of the candles. Like if you here. Oh shit. All it does is follow the back of the candles until it enters. Just the way I teach my strategy. And then you can kill it at any time if you don't want to take the trade. I don't want to push any buttons. I'm on my live thing here. Gee, hold on a second. All right, so what do we got here? Now the cat's back in. The cat went out and said, oh shit, it is raining out, Dad. I saw the rain out the window, but I had to go out there and see. Freaking Jesus. Sometimes the cat is more of a pain in the butt about going in and out than the dog. Well, well, I mean, that's what I was trying to say. If you listen to what I said, Trade Saber is a good tool. It does what I need it to do. Except the problem is, it's not tied to my ATM. It's a strategy. So you have to turn it on every time. Whereas this is an indicator. So it's a lot easier to use. Plus, I can enter multiple times using my ATM in the same trade. I can't do that with Saber. Saber, I can only enter once. And if I enter anything again, I've got to manually enter. And the targets and the stops and all that stuff are tied to Saber, which is not the ATM. I feel more secure. Just to kind of tell you another thing, I feel more secure trading with the ATM that Ninja has, managing my stops. Oh no, dude, I've already sold 12 houses this year. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to do in the next like 60 days. No, I'm selling the hell out of houses. I'm so busy selling houses, it's insane. I'm freaking, yeah, I literally literally feel like I need a vacation from selling houses. Matter of fact, I got an appointment with somebody tonight to go through a house and get them moving forward. And then I got 2 more appointments this weekend. It's I don't know. It's probably going to be, if things stay the way they are right now, which I mean, be honest with you, with the oil prices and all this other bullshit going on, I feel fortunate, to be honest with you, but that my business is still moving along. But I probably am gonna come close to hitting, like a record for me. I'm going to be pretty close. I know profit wise for the year, I'll be damn close to my record in houses for houses. All right. So let me get this shrunk over here. Let me get this shrunk over here. Okay. I probably should have been paying attention to that. I didn't. And then let's get looking at this. So this is oil. Now oil is way up today. Aren't we all excited about that? I know I am not. So we're through the high. And I mean, we're through the high by $1.50, $1.60 right now. So we'll see what we can do. If you guys remember, this thing and the NQ have been really sliding back and forth across their boxes. If you remember that, the CL and the NQ have really been jumping across their boxes. And you guys remember the trade I took yesterday. Just for fun, I'm going to show it again because it's so beautiful. Where is it? Everybody remembers that box trade I took. That box trade I took. So going back into it, remember, we came out of the box, came back in. Let's see here. Then we came back up, and then I took this short right here. I protected the top of this candle, came up, took me out. So I lost, quite a bit of money right there. I don't even remember right off the top of my head now. And then we never went through that top. And then when I re-entered right there, came down just like this NQ trade, got inside this 5-minute gold line, and I took my second contract here, and I took my third after this candle closed here. That was the mid band. I had my third one there, and then bam, there's my targets. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, something like that over here today, or maybe something like that over here. Yeah, I fucking nailed it. I literally nailed it. I think it was like, somebody can correct me here. I don't know. I think it was 3 weeks ago. I nailed 2 of those in gold in a week. Two very similar to that in a week. That were like, the boxes weren't as big, but I made like $3,000 on both of them. I did 2 in 1 week. about 3 weeks ago. And then I've hit the oil one a couple times here on the live stream also, where out of the box comes back in, sits, boom, goes across. Now the oil ones, I don't make as much money. I mean, they end up normally being like, maybe even if I add contracts, I mean, I may get, 12 to maybe $2,000, 1,200 to $2,000, something like that. Because the boxes in oil and the ticks just aren't as big traditionally. It's all about picking your poison, man. Picking your poison. So I hit that trade yesterday, and I hit an RTY trade, and that was it. I had a couple losses in there. Yeah, I had a couple losses in there. I don't remember what my total was for the day. It was less than you would think. My total yesterday was less than you would think. It was like 3,800, 3,900. For the day. I can't remember where I lost money. I guess I probably lost money in the NQ. I know I lost some money on that first part of that gold trade. I don't remember how much it was, but it was pretty sizable. It was probably about $600 that I lost on that first failed cross of the gold line. I mean, of gold across the box. But I mean, once it starts, so we're sitting dormant right now. So let me just explain this to you. Downloads. Once it starts going, you can see it's like a beeline. You know what I mean? Once it starts going, it doesn't care about any of the moving averages. It doesn't care about none of that shit. It's going from here to here. Which makes it easy to like feel confident when you have profit to add contracts. You just completely ignore the moving averages. You completely ignore everything. You're just going from line to line. Boy, oil is being really quiet. Jesus, this is probably going to go down. Shit. So you're probably testing the bottom of that box and going down. I'm going to try it. Unless it screams up here, I'm going to take that break. See how it followed the back of that candle? Once this candle closed, it followed the back of that candle. This moved for me. I didn't have to do it manually. And then bam, I can kill it just like that. Boom, trade's gone. Yeah, Alex, that's Alex, I've done that, man. I've done that. Yeah, I was looking at for an M also, Jim Park. I was looking at an M. I mean, and it may still do it. I'm kind of hesitant. It has not confirmed north yet. I'm gonna be freaking pissed if it does an M and I'm sitting here watching it. Oh shit. It's gonna do it. I it's gonna do it. Now it would have jumped my order right here. Ah, come on. Man, I think it's gonna do it. So remember, this is the area that this needs to come pretty deliberately and break that before it rolls back up and then rolls over. So there it goes. There it goes. God dang, I missed that trade. I chickened out on it. So it needs to break this pivot right here on this push down. It needs to break this pivot. Then you can let it meander up and then roll over. If it rolls up before it breaks this pivot, that's not a good sign. It's got to break that pivot right there. Then you got your M going. You're in it? All right, lunatic. I completely screwed the pooch on that one. Come on, go. Come on, go. Go, gold. Go. Go. Yeah, I get that, Alex. I get that. Come on, man. You need to push down. Do not roll up. Do not roll up. Do not roll up. Come on, man. You need to break this pivot right here. It really, this candle right here is important. Needs to break that right there. Come on. There you go. Now you're doing it. Come on. Keep going. Come on, gold. Come on, keep going. Now, personally, I'd be defending this candle until it breaks this. I'd be defending this candle right here until we break this. Then I'd let it have room. Come on, keep going. Break this. It's almost there. Come on, man. What the hell? Come on. There you go. Come on now. Push. Push down. Push down. Push down. There you go. Okay, now it's broke this. So now I'd let it have room to whatever your target is. I mean, M pattern is to here. Down in this area right here. And bam, there you go. There you go. There you go. Right down to that bottom. Good call, Jim Park. Good call. I'll make a trader out of you. We're going to make a trader out of you one day. There you go. Yeah, it got hung up right in here, but once it got through it, man, it was all over. It's a nice pattern. It was very similar to the pattern I took in NQ, which was just a big M. Yeah, that was nice. I totally didn't take it, but it walked through exactly the way it was supposed to, as it's scripted. It had to break that pivot right there. Once it breaks that pivot, you can let it meander then. That's when I put my stop more back up to even and let it go. But until it gets through that pivot, you want to protect the back of those candles. All righty. Well, oil's gone. Which is just great since I got to fill my Jeep up today with gas again. Yep. So oil may end up doing the same thing here in a minute, folks. It may end up meandering here and then sit on top of here and go long. See, it's broken all these pivots. So if it will pull back, we might be able to get it to rotate long. Otherwise, we got to keep watching this 1 minute gold line go up and see if it can catch it and then throw it back through the highs. That looks like what we're going to end up having to do. It looks like the 1 minute gold line is going to have to catch it. Oh, morning, Patriot. I don't know if I said that. Sorry if I didn't. I didn't mean to ignore you. Jake, you got $220? Good for you, man. Okay. So over here in oil, I'm looking for a 1 minute gold line if we get it. I'd prefer a test to the top of the box myself because that'll give us more room for money. Because if we get down into here, it's easily over a $500 trade possibility. And then we've got about 4 minutes till the equities open. So that'll get a little hairy carry there too. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, all right. All right, we are a few minutes from the equities opening. Had some fireworks already this morning. I got a good NQ trade this morning. Y'all got a really good GC trade this morning. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Ooh-wee. All right. Give me 1 minute, guys. I mean, I got a minute or two to burn anyways, because I'm not taking a trade when the equity's open. Let me get my coffee. I have a smaller cup today, so I can't. It doesn't hold as much. All right. Let's see if we can. Jim, I can't even answer that question. I can't even answer that question. I'm a house blend kind of guy. You know what I mean? For example, when I travel, if I see a Dunkin' Donuts, I'm there. You know what I mean? That's really my kind of coffee. I don't like flavored coffees. I don't like Jesus, the market's going down. I don't like flavored coffees. I don't like those really oily coffees, like those Kenyan brands or anything like that. I don't like that. I like what you would consider like your traditional coffee shop coffee, meaning, ham and eggs place where they just, dish it out in your cup every 10 minutes. I grind my beans. Yeah, I grind my beans every day. Now I've done Nestle's Instant, and surprisingly enough, man, it's good. I'll use that when I go camping. I'll use Nestle Instant when I camp. But I also have one of those big percolators that I put on top of the fire pit, and man, you percolate a cup of coffee. Oh my god, that is the best. Honestly, in my opinion, that's the best way to make coffee is with a percolator. I drank a lot of cold brew in Nashville when I was up there. Yeah, I don't think people realize. A lot of people have never even percolated. I don't think people realize how good coffee is with a percolator. It is unbelievable. So when if I've got a campfire or whatever, I have a campfire percolator. Oh man. Woo-wee. I'll take it out on the beach with me when I'm fishing because I got one of them Coleman things and I'll drop that on there and fire that up. Out on the beach while I'm fishing. Shit like that. In North Carolina, you can drive your Jeep out on the beach. So I just take my Jeep out in the sand and set everything up and then, because we're not a communist state here. Man, gold is down for the count today. Looks like I'm not going to make any trades in gold today. Yeah, exactly, Jim. I'm telling you, man, you go on Amazon. Go on Amazon and buy yourself a percolator. You can get electric ones and just surprise the shit out of your family one day and make it. And I'm not lying. And just make a percolated cup of coffee for everybody, and they'll be like, "Why the hell do we do it any other way?" Yeah. I love driving out on the beach, but it is a commie state. You're right. You're probably hoping when you're driving around out in Long Island, you can find the bodies. If we let the normal people go out there, they can call in all the bodies. Man, everything's just running away. Oil's decided to give me no opportunities. Gold is just gone. Shit, gold never even, you know what gold never did? It never tested the bottom of the prior day low. Interesting. Yeah, I grind my own too. And like when I go to the beach, I'll grind a bunch of it and I'll put it in a Ziploc sealed up bag. And then throw the percolator on the old Coleman. Shit, guys, I'm going to have to shut the stream down. I'm going fishing today. It's only a 4.5 hour ride, but I'm going today just so I can make some coffee. Yeah, I know, FOMC today. That's why I started early. Because I do not plan on trading till 11:30 today. I do not plan on that. I hit a pre-market NQ trade for about $500, and then I missed the rejection of the bottom of the box here that bunches of people in here got, and they wrote it down to here, which was huge money. Come on, oil, just pull back for me. Just pull back so we can rotate. And I'm watching all the equities right now. So, there's nothing to do in the equities, at least for another 9 minutes anyways. If at all. Shit, man. Really? Let me check this out. 68. Oh, God. I think I might attempt this. Couple $100 maybe if it rolls up. Just reaching for things. I'm just reaching. That's a bad idea. I don't trade when the box is forming at all. No. And if you watch price action, if you pay attention to what I'm doing here and you watch price action inside that box and how consistent it is and how predictable it is, you wouldn't trade inside that box either while it's forming. There's a tremendous amount. For those of you that have been watching some of these box things, the amount of manipulation that happens in this zone is amazing. How many times have you guys seen me in just the last week or two where we cross the box and where does it stop? It stops here, midair. If it's crossing here, it stops midair right here. Why is that? This is a line that that's on nobody's chart unless you have that 15-minute box. Yeah, that's good, Patriot. Yeah. Oh, man. Turns out that was the trade of the day right there. Obviously. That was the trade of the day right there. Still waiting on these equities. We still got 5 minutes for the equities. Jesus, to end. And that doesn't mean anything just because they end. Oh, I gotta go sell some houses today. Is this little thing gonna actually work? I was looking at taking this, but I mean, the reality of it is there wasn't a lot of room there. But it may actually work. It may actually work. Oh, shit. Whoa. Holy shit. Holy shit. Gold is just collapsing. Yeah, it's just collapsing. I mean, it's way out of anything on my charts to trade. Wow. May have to give up on this today. Shit. Well, that sloppy oil trade actually worked. Yeah, oil up, gold down, exactly. Boy, gold is just crashing. Holy cow. This is why I don't normally start my live stream until 9:45. This is exactly why. Because in this period right here, it's just I do one really important thing that everybody in here should probably be taking copacetic notes on. What am I doing? Sitting on my hands. Sitting on my hands. While the insanity is going on, I'm not donating to the insanity. I'm sitting on my hands. I so many times I watch traders, it's like, oh my God, oh, it's moving, price is moving, and they just feel like they have to be involved. Okay. Okay. Sure thing. Then they blow up their accounts and they're like, I don't know what happened. I can tell you what happened. You traded in the middle of all the insanity. You didn't let patterns form in front of you. This was a pattern right here. I just didn't like it. It didn't have enough meat on the bone. You gotta let the patterns form in front of you. Man, gold is just, phew, Jesus. Phew. All right, we are at 9:44. Top this off and then I'm ready. Okay. Fuck. Yeah. Frustrating. I should have probably taken that. Well, obviously I should have taken that oil trade, but sure isn't very convincing, but it worked. All right, so let me get oil out of the way. Let me start looking at these markets. So the ES went straight out of the box. Shit, I didn't even see that. Interesting. Where's the low? Oh, it's almost at the prior day low too. Interesting. The RTY came straight out of the box. Holy shit. Okay, let's see here. I'm actually going to try this if it breaks. I'm actually going to try that back to the low. Come on. Go. Go. Go, ES. Go. Go. Go to the low. Go to the low. Come on. Defend this candle. I've got to find my candle. Come on. Come on. Don't go up on me. Oh. Don't go up on me. Why are you going up? Oh, shit. Yeah. I'm sitting here watching I'm watching the YM. Here's the YM and here's the RTY. They're rolling over out of the box. So I'm like, well, shit. The NQ's got to go down there. I mean, the ES has got to go down there and test the low, but it didn't do it. Did not do it. I still think it's going to do it. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be in it. I think it's still going to do it. Yeah. But I'm not defending the top of that candle to get it. Mm-hmm. It's time to wait. Time to wait. Okay, so the NQ has rolled up and out for no particular reason. Oh, man, don't tell me you're going to cross right here. I mean, I'm not taking it, but it just may do that. There's a lot of noise in this NQ. Look at, you got the overnight open, you got the prior day close, you got this mid band here. I'd prefer it to create space, come back, touch the bottom of that box, and then roll over. That's what I would prefer. Just like I'm looking at the ES to come and test the top of this box and roll up. One or the other. Man, gold must still be going down. No, because oil's still rolling up. Wow. All right. Well, I was going to take that short right there in the NQ. Create that space, bing, bing. Yeah, I was going to take that short right there in the NQ, but it did not form. It did not form. All right, so we got an RTY potential long and a YM potential long. Yep. Holy shit. Shit. It jumped me. Jump me. It jumped me. Damn it. Fart. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Shit. Fuck. Damn it, it jumped me right there. So we came inside, sat on top of it, and then reversed up. At the same time, the RTY did the same thing, and I got jumped. I got jumped. I'm not happy about that, obviously, but it's okay. If the pattern stays consistent, I may find some spots up above to get in. All right, come on. Come on back for me. Come on back for me. All right. Interesting. Rolled up, came back down again all the way. That's interesting. I'm going to sit here and wait for it to come back. If it does. All right. So now it's time to at least go to here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't be rolling over on me. Come on. Roll up. No, don't roll down on me. I'm going to defend this candle right here. Come on. Roll up. What the hell's going on with the NQ here? Come on, YM. Come on. Come on, YM. Come on. Come on. This is not looking good because the R2I is way down. Come on, YM. Come on. Be the big elephant in the room that you are. Be the big elephant in the room that you are. Come on. We all know that you're the big elephant, so let's go. Come on. There you go. Let's be the big elephant that you are. Come on. There you go. Come on now. Let's go. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Be the big dog. You are the big dog. We all know you're the big dog. Now be the big dog. There you are. Be the big dog that you are. Show everybody how to fucking move. Let's go. Let's go. Be the beast that you are. Move. Be the beast that you are. Come on. Come on. Come on, YM. Be the man, the myth, the legend. Do it. Do it. Come on. Arg. Come on. We have faith in you. Roll up. Come on. Come on. Roll up some more. Come on. Start getting some energy. Freaking FOMC day trading sucks. FOMC day trading sucks. Oh, come on. You gonna take me out? Come on. Don't do that. Oh my God, you are. No, come on, roll up. Roll up. Now, come on, let's go. Come on, honey, let's do it. Come on, honey, let's go. Let's get some real money. Come on. There you go. Let's go. There you go. All right, come on. Let's go. Keep going. Now I need it to start getting some energy here because I may have to take it out at this 5-minute gold line. It really needs to start picking up pace here because this is going to be a resistance area right here. It needs to step on the gas. Come on, step on the gas, damn it. Come on, step on the gas, YM. Step on the gas. Come on, now run. Blow through that 5. Blow through it. Arg, arg, arg. Blow through that 5. Come on. Blow through it. I have faith in you. Go, baby, go. Ah, the hell with it. There we go. That's all right. Money's money. Money's money. Money's money. It just didn't go through. See, watch it pull back now. By the way, for those of you paying attention, hey, guess what? I broke the streak. I took the YM and not the RTY, and the YM worked. And the YM one worked. We all know how that doesn't happen for me. I took the YM one and it worked. This sucker. That was nice. Yeah, I mean, hell, I got like 480 out of that. Of course, it's, I have no confidence in it because it's FOMC day, but the trade is this. The trade is this. It's minimum to here. This is minimum the point of interest. And it's gonna, I guess I could have protected the back of the candles. I don't know. Obviously, after the fact, if it was an FOMC day, I would at least try to get to here. You're still in it. Good job, lunatic. Get that money. Jesus. I'll tell you this too. The other thing that was not helping me when I'm sitting here looking at this, I'm not trying to put negative thoughts in Lunatic's head, but this freaking thing right here. All right, there it goes. Come on, get Lunatic his money. This freaking thing right here was not agreeing. It all of a sudden, it just collapsed. Jimmy, come on. Come on. Come on. Hurry up, buddy. Come on. Hurry up. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. It went. Oh, well. Yeah. Well, that's where it needs to go at least to here. I just didn't, by looking at freaking this thing right here has got me completely confused. I mean, the RTY is, usually it's sister that moves with it. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Anyways, everybody got at least some money out of that. Yeah, there you go, lunatic. Everybody at least got some money out of that. That was a nice, it was a pretty easy one. That was actually a real easy one. All right, there you go. BFK. There you go. Yeah, that was a nice one. Free money, man. If it was an FOMC day, man, you can be putting your stop right here and playing this thing to go to here. Or just taking it out here. But either way, good money. Either way, good money. Good money. That was good money. The RTY one completely failed. And the whole time I had this up here, up in my top chart. I kept looking up at it going, oh man, this is not looking promising for my YM trade. This is not looking promising for my YM trade. And here's the other thing. I'm going to, again, I'm a mental basket case. I get it. But what rejected the RTY from crossing the box was the 5-minute gold line. So when we got to our 5-minute gold line here, I got real nervous. Because I was like, shit, that 5-minute gold line through the RTY back through the bottom of the box. And I'm sitting here with about $500. I'm like, 500 in the hand or possibly zero. I'll go with the 500. Real simple. I say real simple. It's not real simple. But what everybody in this chat, where's my screen? Here, let me put this one up here. What everybody in the chat is looking for, okay, is they're looking for price to come outside that 15-minute box, and then they're looking for it to come back in, create space, sit on top of it, and then take it long, at least to the mid band and possibly completely through the box. Now, like if this was gold or if this was oil, I'd be holding that thing all the way through the top of the box because that's how much violence it has. So when it did this setup right here and it broke here, if you saw, it jumped my order. I didn't get in. Then I got fortunate. It came back down, sat, and reached down here, so kind of gave me a okay, and then I just re-entered. But I mean, pattern-wise, this trade, like for swing traders, this pattern right here is supposed to go from here. In the equities, it's a little harder a lot of times, well, except the NQ. But the trade is supposed to go from here to there. That's the swing trade. That's really what the pattern's supposed to do, is go from here to there. And it's supposed to have a little bit of a problem right here in the middle of the box, which is what it's doing. It's having a little bit of a problem before it crosses. So you go back to the trade I took yesterday. I'm going to give you a long answer because I'm really not looking at any trades right now. So go back to the trade I took yesterday in gold. It came out of the box, came back in, tested the bottom of the top of the box, and it went straight across. That's the trade. Brian. I was answering Brian, by the way, for those of you that are not reading the chat. Who crossed the box here? Who crossed the box here? Who am I looking at right here? Oh, the ES crossed the box. See, the ES did it. The ES did it. God dang it. The ES crossed the box. You dirty dog. I didn't even notice that. There you go, Kevin. Absolutely. Yeah, the ES crossed the box. I can't believe that. Well, the ES did it. I didn't even see that. Anyways, that's that trade. And what should happen is this thing should meander its way up to here, because that's what the longer term traders are counting on. So they're going to have their takeout. They're going to have their takeouts right here. Yeah, it jumped my order. I had my order. I showed it on the screen. There was my order, but it didn't jump my order. So I didn't get in. And I have a setting that if it comes back, it'll take me in the trade, but it never came back. So I just canceled the trade and prayed that it would give me a pullback, and it did. It did give me a pull. I got fortunate. I got lucky. Because I could have completely missed this whole move. I mean, I really did get lucky. Because a lot of times, once it does this dance right here, it just goes straight. I think the only reason it was hesitant was because the RTY was so underwater. I think that's the only reason the YM was hesitant right here instead of running straight up. I think it was because the RTY was so caught underneath the prior day low. Oh, man. Okay, what do we got going on now? Now remember, guys, today is FOMC day, so we might have seen all the excitement of the day already. We might have seen all the excitement of the day already. What is going on over here with my computer? Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, we might have seen all the excitement of the day already. And it kind of looks that way too, because see, it came to target one and it's pretty much called it a day for now. It's just sitting here, the YM. You see the ES is rolling over at that spot right there. After it crossed the box, it's rolling over from this spot, which if you're trading and you don't have that box on your chart, you have no idea, it's on top of your 5-minute red line. Why the hell did it stop? Well, anyways, I think that's about it for me. I don't want to give my money back. Yeah, I don't want to give my money back on FOMC day. So I had a good NQ trade for about $500. I had a good YM trade for about $500. I lost like $150 in the ES. How much money did I lose in the ES? How much money did I lose? 3.5. I can't even read that damn thing. 3.5 points. 3. Oh, 2.5 points. So it's been a good day, considering I didn't come in here with much expectations. I was really hoping to catch a gold trade across the box today. That's what I was hoping for. And that just never formulated. That was what my hope was for the day. Never formulated. So, hey, I'm happy to make $850 and call it a day. On FOMC day, I'm happy. At this point in time, with the way the market just sitting kind of like Turd Island here, I mean, I think it's going to go long here. We finally broke this down pivot, came back up, sat on top of the red line, top of the box, all that stuff. Looks like it's going to go long. But I mean, what the problem is, these are overlapping candles. So let's talk about this. This is overlapping candles. So these candles keep going back and forth across each other. And when you start getting into that situation, it gets hard to make money because there's no real deliverance. It's just kind of So anyways, I'm going to call it a day. I've got a lot of work to do, real work in my real job. That's why I started the stream early, was to try to see if we could find something in gold and oil early this morning. Some people caught that gold trade off the bottom of the box. That was excellent. Excellent. I completely missed that one. That would have been a good $600, $700, $800, $900 trade for sure. So everybody have a good day. I'll see you guys later. And don't drink too much coffee because you might start pushing buttons when you don't.